Hello, dear students. In the last lecture, we have already learned about the production of rabies vaccine in the fermentation technology subject. So, we'll continue with the same session. Now, as we have already learned about the preparation of rabies vaccine, we will learn about the proper amount of doses given to the various animals or the human beings. Now, the doses are given in the two forms. It may be pre-exposure immunization or the post-exposure treatment. Now, the pre-exposure immunization, it means the vaccines are given to the person before the cause of infection. इन्फेक्शन होने से पहले ही वैक्सीन जब दिया जाता है, इट इज़ नोन एज प्री एक्सपोजर इम्यूनाइजेशन. और इन्फेक्शन होने के बाद जो ट्रीटमेंट या फिर वैक्सीन दिया जाता है, इट इज़ नोन एज पोस्ट एक्सपोजर ट्रीटमेंट. सो फॉर द प्री एक्सपोजर इम्यूनाइजेशन, a single dose or the ampule or the vial, it contains a single dose of rabies vaccine. So this vaccine, it is given in the deep subcutaneous or intramuscular injections. इंट्रामस्कुलर इंजेक्शंस के फॉर्म में ये डोज या फिर वैक्सीन दिया जाता है. जनरली it is a freeze dried vaccine which contains near about or not less than 2.5 units per dose. 2.5 units of viruses are contained inside these vaccines. Now the manufacturer, it supplies a diluent with it. So these vaccines are diluted in the diluent supplied by the manufacturer, and in the pre-exposure immunization, this dose or the vaccine is given at the 0 day. Means if today it is given, then the second dose is given at the 7th day and third dose is given at the 28th day. मतलब प्री एक्सपोजर पहले ही हमें 3 बार वैक्सीनेशन करना पड़ता है. इट इज़ डन एट द फर्स्ट डे, 7th डे एंड द 20th डे. और एल्स दिस वैक्सीनेशन इट कैन ऑल्सो बी डन एट द 28th डे एंड द 52 डे और द 56 डे. मतलब जब हमने लिया उस दिन के 28th डे पर और 56th डे पर थर्ड डोज लिया जाता है. दिस इज अबाउट द प्री एक्सपोजर इम्यूनाइजेशन. व्हेन अ पोस्ट एक्सपोजर ट्रीटमेंट इज गिवन, फॉर एग्जाम्पल किसी पर्सन ने पहले प्री एक्सपोजर इम्यूनाइजेशन नहीं किया है and he got infected with the rabies virus, then such infected person is given the post exposure treatment, in which this injection or this vaccine is given at the first day or the 0th day, then at 3rd day, 7th day, 14th day, 20th day and 90th day. Means the 6th time immunization is very important of the rabies vaccine after the exposure or the infection to the rabies virus. So this was all about the doses given of the rabies virus. Now this rabies virus or the rabies vaccine, it is freeze dried powder. It may be in the form of powder or in the form of pellets. These pellets or powder, they are dissolved in the solution or they are diluted in the solution which is provided by the manufacturer. मैन्युफैक्चरर या फिर इसकी जो भी इंडस्ट्री होती है, इंडस्ट्री क्या करती है, पैकेजिंग करने के वक्त डाइल्यूएंट और पाउडर या फिर इसके पैलेट्स साथ में ही एक ही पैकेट में दिया जाता है. Whenever it is given to the patient, first this powder or the pellet, it is diluted in the solution or the diluent supplied by the manufacturer, and a clear or slightly opalescent solution is formed, and this solution is then used as a vaccine to the individual. Then we will see the storage of the rabies vaccine. Now these vaccines, they are stored in hermetically sealed light resistant containers. Now these are the hermetically sealed light resistant containers में इस वैक्सीन को रखा जाता है. If these containers are not light resistant, then due to transference of the light, it may lose its antigenic property. It is generally kept at the temperature range between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. When vaccine is stored under proper conditions at 2 degree to 8 degrees Celsius, then this vaccine can remain as it is for near about 2 years. And then it starts losing its potency. Then the proper labeling of any particular vaccine is very important. It must contains the whether that vaccine is suitable for human use or not. Then the type of cell culture used should be mentioned on the label. The virus strain used for the production of vaccine should be also given on the label. Then the recommended doses as well as the number of units in each dose and the total number of doses in the container should be labeled. The name of the inactivating agent used. तब हमने यहाँ क्या यूज़ किया था, बीटा प्रोपियोनोलैक्टोन यूज़ किया था. दैट नेम ऑफ इनएक्टिवेटेड सब्सटेंस शुड ऑल्सो बी मेंशन इन द लेबल. And it should also be mentioned that the vaccine should be used immediately after reconstitution. Now reconstitution मतलब हमने देखा कि यह पैलेट या फिर पाउडर की फॉर्म में होता है. We make it or we convert it into the solution by adding diluent supplied by the manufacturer. This ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इट इज़ नोन एज रिकन्स्टिट्यूशन. एक बार रिकन्स्टिट्यूशन करने के बाद दैट वैक्सीन इट शुड बी यूज्ड इमीडिएटली. एंड दिस ऑल द पैरामीटर्स should be properly mentioned on the label of the vaccines. So this was all about the doses, description, storage and the labeling of the rabies vaccine. Thank you.